Hey guys, what's up, it's Jake here, and I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Primal Clash X and Y EX set. So, yeah, I didn't get very good cards on this one, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. First, start off with the codes. This works really well for you people who play the online game. Kingdra, Lantern, Shrine of Memories, Vibra, I think it is, Nidorian, a reverse Grovyle, Horsey, Chinchou, Dynamo, and last but not least, Tentacool. So yeah, that was about it. I didn't get very good cards. I only got one reverse card in a single pack, so I usually get better scores than that, so I should have picked the one behind it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.